know whether you are following Sundowns as much as I do. I've been at Sundowns for 12 years. We've only played 3 finals of the intermediate in those 12 years. And in those 3 finals, we won 1 when I was leading the team. We lost the other 2. When we lost to Vets in Bombela, and we lost to Pirates at Mapita. So it is not new that we've got our bad luck when it comes to intermediate. If in 12 seasons we've only been in the final 3 times, it's something that is a cause for concern for everyone. But now, because we were bombed out of the semi-final, I did not know any tension. Maybe I'm ignorant. Sometimes it helps. But the truth of the matter is, I did not see any tension, and the fact that Teo was not playing and Mudau was not playing, and you knew too early, it's a bit of a surprise to me, because we only made the team yesterday. And we must also show respect for the players that are performing at that point in time, because sometimes we are caught up in our private politics, and that makes us to ignore the good performances and the opportunities that are given to other players. Because if you think of a player like Rivaldo Kutsier, who has suffered so much with injuries and all that, and when he gets an opportunity and performs the way he has performed, he deserves that opportunity. All these kids, we've got probably 40 players in the team. All of them are waiting for just one small opportunity to get a chance. And if we don't do justice and give them those opportunities, we will not see what they are capable of. Today you are talking about Tiwane. If I did not give Tiwane an opportunity to play, how are we going to know that Tiwane is a good football player? Lebu has been injured in and out of every season. And good professional, good attitude, he gives everything to the team. He deserves to get an opportunity. And all these players that are getting opportunities, they also deserve. That's justice, that's transparency, that's fairness, that everybody must get an opportunity. If in training we feel he deserves the opportunity, but if you feel he deserves an opportunity from wherever you are, not in training, then what can we do? Because the truth is, all these players are looking up to me to give them an opportunity. And when I don't give these opportunities, I will not see what happens. Last week, on Saturday, I gave Malibongwe Khoza an opportunity to play. Not many people have seen him. He has not played in the PSL, but he should get an opportunity so that I can see and compare with what I have seen in the past. And it will be like that. We will have this discussion probably throughout the season, or probably throughout the time that we have allocated for me in this club.